If anyone's confused about what a business is, it's all about the people who are inside your building who make the stuff happen, turn the wheels, do all the stuff that needs to happen. It's all the rest of it is irrelevant. I've run 5 businesses, 5 different industries. Business is widgets. It's who you put in the mission with you that make all the difference to make sure that this is fun experience, it's a compelling environment, and people are doing their best work. Then we get the heck out of the way.
That's correct.
Aptitude and attitude. What else are you thinking about as you're building your teams? Because you're not doing that alone, right? You can't sit over top of all of those companies at the same time. What are you thinking about when you're looking to build your team?
First of all, you never want to be a micromanager. That is the biggest mistake anyone can make. You'll never get anywhere. You'll never get anywhere. You will always be pigeonholed to only as strong as your own strengths and never grow beyond it. It's a whopping mistake. For me, it's, again, attitude, aptitude, training. We actually train new agents weekly. At my dental laboratory, we train our staff daily. We literally train our entire team. We stop for 15 to 20 minutes a day, every day, and train them every day. They get better and better. I'm wildly transparent, though I don't sit there and whip out my QuickBooks. Everyone knows up to the minute because I have a dashboard that hangs from on a TV, hangs from the screen. It tells what is our sales performance, how are we doing on goals, are we on time, what is our remake rate. I even share with everyone what is our direct labor. I've set goals for our direct labor percentages and where are we every single day based on that. So that way, there's no confusion about how the company is running. I'm not a big fan of let me just keep all this information to myself. And so if they can see that the company is not running well, they have responsibility if they want their jobs to pay attention to that instead of me sitting there going, okay, everyone, I need everyone to work harder now. I don't do that. Look at the board. We'll talk about it every day. We have KPIs that we follow and it gets covered every day in our meetings. And like I said, training. So that way we're constantly building this team to be better and sharper.